Women in manufacturing are committed,
making a difference,
exciting, inspiring,
collaborative,
genuine,
resilient,
sense of humour,
passionate,
analytical thinking,
creative. We are tough,
energetic,
tenacious.
I'm a wife, a daughter and a sister. I love to be challenged and I like to learn new things, so I came to work in manufacturing.
I'm a wife, I'm a mother, I'm an auntie, I'm a friend and I'm a daughter. So I actually trained as an accountant and then I discovered people were even more interesting, so I retrained to work with HR.
mother, sister, because I wanted to make a difference.
Wife, daughter and a sister. I wanted to do something hands-on and I wanted to make things.
Mother, wife, sister and I'm a daughter. I wanted to work in an area that was fast-paced.
I'm a wife, I'm a mother, I'm a sister. I've always liked organising things and fixing things, and I really like being in the centre of all the action.
I'm a daughter, a godmother. I just wanted to be part of a company that could make new things and become innovative.
I'm a wife, I'm a daughter, I'm a sister, I'm an auntie and I'm also a carer. I wanted to use my chemistry degree to make meaningful differences to people's lives.
Mother, wife, daughter, sister. What I really enjoyed was the opportunity to develop and manufacture. AstraZeneca has always, I think, for my whole career, had a real sense of trying to enable an individual, regardless of gender, to achieve their best.
Wife, cook, sister, daughter, because I always wanted a career where I could help people. Working for a pharmaceutical company really allows you to know that you're making a big difference.
Mother, girlfriend, daughter, sister. I really like to understand how things work together.
daughter, sister and auntie. My grandfather was a chemist, so I wanted to do science.
I'm a mother, I'm a stepmother, I'm a wife and I'm a daughter. I like manufacturing because it's fast-paced. There's always a new challenge every day.
Wife, mother, daughter, sister. I love being part of making something. I love the smell of it, the feel of it, the sound of it. We're probably one of the few companies that have about half of our senior executive team are women.
I'm driven, I'm resourceful.
I'm a pharmacist. I have to make decisions that help us drive the company forward.
I develop people.
Lots of common sense has got me where I am today.
Strong and stable leader.
Encouraging people to see there are no barriers and helping them into manufacturing is really important.
And I would say to women who want to be in manufacturing, you go for it.
Women in manufacturing are making a difference.
Making a difference.
Making a difference.
Making a difference.
I'm making a difference
To patients
and helping
To save
Lives.